Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the ROG Azoth Extreme 75 custom gaming keyboard, an elite piece of gear built for gamers and enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance, premium materials, and complete control. First off, this keyboard comes with a solid aluminum chassis that not only looks and feels premium but also provides a durable and stable base for intense gaming or long typing sessions. It's compact, stylish, and robust, built to last. Inside, it features a carbon fiber positioning plate, adding structural integrity while maintaining a lightweight build. Combine that with an adjustable gasket mount and you get a typing experience that's soft, precise, and tuned to your preference. It also has a 3-layer dampening system which significantly reduces ping and reverb, giving you that satisfying thunk sound with every keystroke. The standout feature has to be the color OLED touchscreen, which lets you monitor system stats, switch profiles, control media, and personalize your experience in real time, all at your fingertips. Under the hood, it's equipped with ROG NX Snow switches, which are factory lubed, smooth, and fast, ideal for competitive gaming while still feeling amazing for typing. The switches are hot swappable too, so you can customize them down the line without soldering. Topping it all off are premium PBT keycaps, built for durability and a satisfying texture that won't wear down over time. Whether you're deep into esports, creating your dream custom setup, or just want the best possible keyboard experience, the ROG Azoth Extreme 75 is built to deliver. Click the link below for the best price and exclusive offers. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.